The number one thing that real estate investors have to do after buying their investment property is to increase its value through the renovations and the remodel process. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the top 5 renovations that you can do to your investment property to hopefully increase its value and beat out all the other properties on the market. Hi there! If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany, and this is what I like to call the Real Estate Therapy Sesh, where we talk all things real estate investing, strategy, how to buy real estate, how to sell real estate, how to remodel houses and actually make a profit, all that good stuff. Plus, I share all of my experiences being a real estate investor since I was 18 years old, and I bought my first ever property that now makes me passive income every month. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe because we're here for a good time. In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through some key renovations that buyers are looking for in 2024 so you can get top dollar for your home when you go to resell it. First up is the kitchen, which is the number one thing that buyers look for when searching for their perfect home, so you want to make sure that it's done perfectly. One of the more expensive yet transformative renovations is doing granite or quartz countertops instead of doing Formica, not only because it adds to the appeal, it makes everything look more luxurious, and you get this beautiful look on top of the cabinets. The second most important thing in the kitchen, and this is one that I personally look for when I'm searching for a house, is having soft close cabinets because nobody likes a loud kitchen, so having the soft close just adds to that luxury appeal. Not to mention the knobs on the door handles can really increase the appearance with only a couple of extra dollars. Number 3 is under cabinet lighting, and I cannot stress how big of a difference this makes in your kitchen. It not only makes the space look a little bigger, it also makes it look a little more tech savvy, which we'll get into, and it definitely will give a little bit of a wow factor when buyers enter the home. And lastly, having open shelving and glass cabinets will give the illusion of a more spacious kitchen. Not to mention you can put some really nice items on display and make it look a lot more chic. Next up, we have bathroom updates, and it seems like the buyers and the trend in 2024 is to do a spa-like bathroom, which I can totally understand because we all love to feel pampered. So these spa-like renovations will definitely keep your buyer thinking about your home. Now, the first way to wow buyers with a bathroom remodel has to be a walk-in shower combo with glass doors. Not only does this make the bathroom look a little larger than it actually is, but it gives the illusion of having high-end finishes. Now, of course, this is a little bit of a more expensive remodel. However, if the comps support it, I say go for it. And if you have a little more room in the master bathroom, adding a freestanding tub can also enhance the feature and make it look and feel a lot more spa-like that buyers look for. Next up, we have heated floors. Now, we don't use much of that in Florida. It would kind of be a waste of money. However, if you're in the snowy, cooler weather states, I'm sure that buyers will be wowed when they see heated floors and they're walking out of the shower with their robe on, and all of a sudden you have this nice heated floor going on while it's snowing outside. Ugh, a dream of mine. Plus, it makes the house a lot cozier. Not to mention, it could actually also help lower your energy bill because you're heating the floor from the ground up instead of using an actual heat pump system. And on the topic of energy saving and sustainability, we have water conserving fixtures, which a lot of people are leaning towards in 2024 to hopefully save long term on their water bill, but also to help with the sustainability factor. And this could look like dual flush toilets, low flow shower heads to hopefully save on money and resources. So when it comes to bathrooms, one thing that a lot of people overlook is having double vanities. Now, most master bathrooms, you will have this just kind of standard, but in the guest bathroom as well, if you can add one in, I think it's a great way to add value and make it more appealing to most buyers. Outdoor spaces are a huge value add in 2024. Buyers are specifically looking for functional and low maintenance yards. Now, the number one way to add value into your home is to build a composite deck or even a concrete patio. These are both water resistant, durable, and low maintenance over the years for the new buyer, which in turn will add more value in your pocket. Building onto that patio or that deck, quite literally, is to do an outdoor kitchen. Now, you can have something as simple as a built-in grill with a little countertop, or you can go full on and really make a full kitchen with a sink, countertop, island, bar, everything you can think of. Now, the next way to add some charm to your outdoor space is doing some landscaping to add some curb appeal, not only to the front yard, but also to the backyard. So as you can see here, the whole front entry, they have kind of like a balanced bush look on either side, which makes the entrance look a lot more welcoming. Now, if you don't want to have all the bells and whistles with an outdoor kitchen, you can always do something a little smaller and more concise, like an outdoor fire pit or a fireplace. This gives the yard year-round appeal, and you can also have some little seating options to really make it feel cozy and comfortable like your own home. And lastly, something that was missing when I bought my house that makes a huge difference and I totally would have overpaid for is having fencing. Now, installing fences can be a little expensive, so you can always balance that out with some privacy hedges as well. Plus, it gives a more natural feel to the backyard. But if your main goal is to add value to your home, I think adding fencing will definitely increase the value, the privacy, which buyers are a huge fan of, plus nobody likes their neighbor peeping in the yard. Now, when it comes to having a smart home, one thing that you can't overlook is having a smart thermostat, not only because the AC and heater are the ones that use the most energy in the house, so you want to make sure you're keeping track of it, but it also adds a nice appeal so you can have everything programmed through your phone, whether you're away on vacation or you just want to have presets set up for when you get home and everything is already good to go. Next off, we have smart security systems, and you can buy something as simple as the Blink system, which I bought off of Amazon, or you can go full out and get a company to actually install them, but having it linked to your phone and being able to manage things while they're away on vacation. And the key here is to be able to monitor everything when you're away from home, either on vacation or just for your peace of mind. And this will definitely be a huge plus for buyers who are looking to purchase the home. Number 3 is one of my personal faves and what I wish I did in our tiny house where we live, and that's having voice activated lighting and controls. This will definitely wow your buyers, and it's not even that expensive to do because nowadays they have smart light bulbs that can connect to your phone and a bunch of other methods to make your house a smart home. Alexa, turn lights on. Okay. Now, although this might seem like a pricier renovation, solar panels can highly increase the value of your home, not only because a new future homeowner is going to save hundreds of dollars on their energy bills, and it's also a great way to add some sustainability to your home. And finally, finished basements offer versatile space that you can use for a ton of different things, so here are some ideas. And if you live in a state like Florida where we literally don't have basements, you can do this with a garage as well, or with an outside ADU. Number 1, we have an in-law suite or a potential rental opportunity. And for this, you could create a separate kitchen and bathroom unit with a little living space that might even convert into a bedroom. And this will definitely add value, not only because you can rent it out for some additional income, but if you have any guests or in-laws living with you, you have a separate space completely separate from the main living space. Turning your basement into an entertainment space, or my favorite, a home theater, definitely makes use of the space in a fun and versatile way. You can easily do this by setting up some surround sound and adding some really good insulation, buying some fun colored lights, and of course adding a huge TV and a projector will make any movie night awesome. And if the comps show that there's a lot of people that work from home in your area, maybe converting the basement into a home office wouldn't be a bad idea. Now, of course, you don't have to spend the money to build out something like this. However, if you actually have a little built out area, maybe put a little office chair, they can use their imagination and the new buyers can convert it into their new home office. And lastly, we have ample storage in the basement, which a lot of buyers are looking for a separate space to put in all of their Christmas decorations and excess stuff. So if you have a built-out closet system or even just a separate little storage section in the basement, this will definitely attract some buyers and hopefully increase the value of your property. So there you have it. These are the top 5 renovations that you can do to your home, whether you're considering selling or even just for you to enjoy your space. These updates are definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments which renovation you're the most interested in and that you would consider doing, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.